What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to do a kind of a small update, but with a big impact. We're going to do a lithium-ion battery upgrade to the T7. And with that, you would need I usually do a battery maintainers on my bike. So you can't use a regular maintainer on here unless it specifically says lithium-ion compatible. So you see this one here specifically says selectable battery charger and maintainer. Some battery tenders only have lead acid capability. This one has a lithium lipo capability. So you have to pair that if you like to put maintainers on your bike, because you want to make sure that battery is topped up before you ride. So ATZ10 is the one for the Tenere 700. Some sites say it's the ATZ7, but a lot of people have already tested and used this one. So it's really confusing sometimes. Sometimes it says ATZ10, sometimes ATZ7. So the KTM 690 uses ATZ10 as well. So it's the same battery. So we're gonna see if it fits, and it should. So for the battery tender, when you open the box, it comes with this, just the charger in a long wire, and some jumper cables. I never really used this one. I think you use this one if the battery is like outside. You're just kind of charging it on the floor or the table. But I already have a lead on the bike, so I'm just gonna. This one's just I don't need the jumper. This one's a new design. Let me show you the old design. So the old design looks like this. I actually have a lipo here. Old design. So the new design looks like this. This one's an 800, the same thing, 800 milliamps. So this is just a new design, new shape. Looks kind of better. So, all right, we're gonna install it on the bike and see what it looks like. Okay, so we removed the passenger seat. We're gonna remove the rider seat. The only thing I don't like about the T7 is it takes a screw to remove the driver's seat. Actually, you don't need these screw. Once the passenger seat is in there, it's locked. It's actually kind of cumbersome if you're out on the trail and you actually or you don't have the tool for it. You won't be able to remove this seat because of the screw. So that's kind of unfortunate. There's supposed to be it looks like there's like a slot where you can put like a wrench in here. It's a Allen key, but it's just kind of cumbersome to have a screw there. So I'm kind of debating if I should just leave the screw out. So here's what the battery area looks like. I'm hoping that it fits, because this one's a small battery, a physically small battery. Maybe that's why they say ATZ7. We'll see if it fits. The 7 is smaller than the 10, but we'll see what it looks like. All right, guys, so upon further inspection, let me see if I can show you guys. There's like a block there. That block right there is not part of the battery case. That's on the battery holder. So I'm gonna remove the battery holder, and here's the anti-gravity battery. It's super light. It's like, we'll see how heavy this small thing is, but it should be a significant weight savings. So let's get that out of there. All right, guys. So a little bit of an extra work. I did not know this. So as you can see, there's a tray, right? A battery tray, because the battery is small. This is a 2024 Tenere 700. So I thought it would be like straightforward. Everyone else just changes the battery, but this one has a tray in it that's kind of not easy to remove. So as you can see, there's two screws down here, and I believe you have to remove this bracket here to lift this tray up out of the way. So unfortunately, that's how you have to do it. But if you have an older Tenere, you probably don't have this. So I don't know why I have it. So I'm just gonna try to get these screws out of here. It's a 10 millimeter, so we'll see what we see. Okay, so with the bracket off, we were able to just simply lift this up from down here, up away, and there's like a slot that it goes back. You have to put the bracket back because that's what holds the strap down here. So it's just extra work. I don't know, so they added this bracket because they're using a smaller battery for the 24, I guess. Look how small this battery is, but look how it's significantly heavy. Sorry, I don't have a scale right now, but trust me when I say it's just, oh, it is a 7. Oh, that's why they say that. So okay, so some Teneres have a 10 on their stock. So this is a smaller battery for sure. So This is like, look how much I'm moving this thing. It's like, this is like, this is dense right here. It's a lot of cells, I guess. So we're gonna put this on. See, the leads used to face this way, so now the leads are gonna be this way. No. So it's gonna be like this. So it's not so bad. So you have access to both sides. You can turn it this way. You have negative, and then you have a positive on both sides. So you can turn it either way. So I think since the branding is down that way, and we're just gonna face the branding forward, and then we're gonna install it this way. So it's just crazy. Look how crazy the size difference are. All right, guys. So we have the battery all installed. All the leads reinstalled. I plugged in my battery tender to the wall. I set it to lithium ion battery mode. I also plugged it in here, so it's charging. Right now it's still in orange. That means it's still charging, so it's topping it up. Once it's turned green, I will basically be okay to start it, I believe. I think that's the proper way. I don't think it matters really, but let's just turn it on just to make sure everything is good. So let's see, I think the clock has been reset. What time is it now? 12:49. I think that's it. 12:50. And I don't think I have to change anything else. My trip meter wasn't reset, so. Okay, I think that's it. I think we're good to go. I don't think there's a battery meter on this thing. Yep. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just to share with you guys the battery upgrade here. As you can see, it's a significant difference in weight. Even though this one is a smaller battery, that one is still very heavy. So I'm gonna just button it up and let it charge, and that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.